Ooh. We're getting the babies ready for bedtime. Hello, babies. Hello, Mira. Hello, Sophia. Hello, Mr. and Mrs. Gloves. Are you ready for bedtime? You ready for bedtime? Yeah? Oh, are you tired? Alright, Daddy makes the bottles, yeah? Just close the curtain up. If we close the curtain, then it's more like bedtime, isn't it? Oh, I like your funny gloves that you're playing with. That's pretty cool. I don't think you're supposed to eat them. What's all the kicking, fam? What's all the kicking? I love these monkeys. Oh, I love these monkeys. Alright, time to make them a bottle. Not funny, it's bedtime. Karen Gates, bottles, prep machine, Tommy Tippy, whoever you are, I love you. We all love you. Thank you very much from the El Hejri family.